Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic sphere. Question is given: a sphere of constant radius 2k passes through the origin and meets the axis in ABC. Prove that the locus of the centroid of the tetrahedron OABC is x square plus of y square plus of z square is equal to k square. Let's solve the problem. General equation of a sphere is x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Let this is question 1 and constant radius is given by 2k. First we have to draw the figure here. This is y axis and this is x axis and this is z axis. This is x axis and this is y axis and this is z axis. Here x meets the axis in ABC. X axis cut at A, point A, and y axis cut at B, and z axis cut at C. This is the center. This is the center of the origin, and here the point B is given by here. Point A is given by point A is we have to. For x-axis, we have to let point this is coordinates of x-axis is a comma 0 0 and coordinates of y-axis is 0 comma b comma 0 and the coordinates of z-axis is given by 0 comma 0 comma c. And further we can passes through the given sphere passes through origin. In the given question set, the given sphere passes through origin. The point origin is given by here. This is 0 comma 0 comma 0. So we have to put in equation 1 in place of x y z we have to put in 0. We get d is equal to 0. And further, given sphere passes through x-axis. The coordinates of x-axis is a. This is a comma 0 comma 0. So we have to putting in the given equation 1. We get here a square in place of x. We have to putting a and yz is 0. Yz is 0. Then here plus of 2ua and remaining portion is 0. From here we get a square is equal to minus of 2ua. A to a square is cancelled out. Here is a and from here we have to get u is equal to minus of a by 2. And further, sphere passes through the y-axis. Sphere passes through y-axis. Coordinates of y-axis is given by b and this is 0 comma b comma 0. In the given sphere we have to put in x is 0, y is b and z is 0. So we get here b square, x is 0, b is y is b, so we have to write here b square, z is 0, 2x is 0 here, y is b, so we have to write here plus of 2vb and remaining is 0 is equal to 0 and from here we get b square is equal to minus of 2vb. B to b square is cancelled out. Here is b remaining. So we have to get here v is equal to minus of b by 2. Minus of b by 2 here u is equal to minus of a by 2. And sphere given sphere passes through z axis. Sphere passes through z axis, and the coordinates of z axis is given by 0 comma 0 comma c. Putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to c. Here x is 0, y is 0, z is c, so we have to write here c square plus of, here 2ux is 0, 2by is 0, t 2wz. In place of z we have to put in c, we get 2wc. 2wc is equal to 0, and from here c square is equal to minus of 2wc, and c to c square is cancelled out. Here is c, and we get w is equal to minus of c by 2, and we have to putting the value of UVW, we get the equation of a sphere passes through origin and meets the axis ABC. Once again we have to putting the value of U, V and W, U, V, once again, U, V, W and D, we get the equation of a sphere. Once again, we get the equation of a sphere passes through origin and meets the axis in ABC. Putting the value of UVW in equation 1, we get here x square plus of y square plus of z square. In place of x, here in place of 2ux, here we have to put the value of u. U is given by minus of a by 2. On putting here plus of 2, and in place of u we have to putting minus of a by 2 into x plus of here 2vy. 2 in place of v, we have to calculate v is equal to minus of v by 2. So we have to put in here b by 2 into y plus of 2. We have to calculate the value of w is minus c by 2. So we have to write in here minus of c by 2 into z, and we have to also calculate d is equal to 0. D is equal to 0, and this is equal to 0. And from here we have to solving. 2 to 2 is cancelled out, and remaining is x square plus of y square plus of z square minus of ax minus of dy minus of cz is equal to 0. This is the equation of a sphere passes through origin and meets the axis in ABC. Further we have to find the radius of the given sphere. Radius of the sphere, and this is given by radius is equal to under root of coefficient of x and coefficient of y and coefficient of z का whole square, we get a square by 4 plus of b square by 4 plus of c square by 4. Here u is equal to minus of a by 2, v is equal to minus b by 2, and w is equal to c by 2. And we can also comparing the above equation with, we get the value of coefficient of x, y, z. On squaring here d is 0, so we have to not writing here, and radius is given, constant radius is given by 2k. Then 2k is equal to under root of a square by 4 plus of b square by 4 plus of c square by 4. On squaring both the sides we get 4k square is equal to a square by 4 plus of b square by 4 plus of c square by 4. Taking LCM here, LCM is 4, we get here a square plus of b square plus of c square is equal to 16k square. Let this is equation second, and we have to find the centroid of the tetrahedron. Finding centroid of the tetrahedron OABC is, let centroid is x1, y1 and z1, x1, y1 and z1, and this is given by x1. Centroid of tetrahedron is given by x1 is equal to sum of coordinates upon average, we get here a upon 4. Similarly for y1 we get b upon 4, and similarly for z1 we get c upon 4. From here we have to get here a is equal to 4x1 and b is equal to 4y1 and c is equal to 4z1. Putting the value of a, b and c in equation second, putting the value of a, b and c in equation 2. Putting here a square is 4x square, so we have to writing here 4 4 is 16, x1 the whole square, x1 का square plus b square, b is 4y square, on a square you get 16 y1 का whole, y1 का square plus of here c is 4z1, on a square you get 16 z1 का whole square is equal to 16 k square. And taking 16 common from left hand side, we get here x1 का square plus of y1 का square plus of z1 का square is equal to 16k square. 16 to 16 is cancel out. Here we get x1 square plus of y1 square plus of z1 square is equal to k square. Hence the locus is x square plus of y square plus of z square is equal to k square, and this is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.